Hello friends, my name is Kunj and I am 10 years old and welcome back to my channel Ankita and Kunj World. So we are going to do an experiment to test the density of water. In a nutshell, we are going to do an experiment of density of water. So for the experiment, we need to require 4 jars and 2 jars should be of same size, and 1 hot water, cold water, watercolors and cardboard. Let's start the experiment. So first I am going to pour this hot water in one jar. Be careful. And now I am going to pour some cold water. The water should be full of jar. So I filled up all the jars with hot and cold water, and now I am going to pour some watercolor in small jar. And in the big one also. So you can see in the cold water colors spread very slowly. And now I am going to pour the red color into the hot water. So you can see the colors start spreading very fast. You can see when I put the watercolor on the water in the cold water, so it remains on the surface. So in color in the hot water, it mixes up easily. So I have no patience, so I am going to mix up the green color. It is not mixing up easily. So you can see the ink is swimming in the water. So I am going to pour the green color again in the water. And start mixing immediately. So Now the magic begins. You need to take the cardboard, put it here, upper, and it should be very tight. Hold it with the two hands. So you need to carry that jar should be 1/1. Be careful while removing the cardboard. So you can see my mom helped me to do this, and you can see that they two are not mixing. So now I'm going to do that same thing but with big jars. I'm afraid, but I'm going to take with my mommy's help. So that's for it today, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye. And try this experiment at home and say in the comment box